Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Harley-Davidson of Danbury. I'm going to talk to you about this awesome CFMoto C500 ATV or quad, whatever you want to call it, but it's an ATV or a quad. And we've got some exciting things to show you here today because this quad is on sale. The C500 is one of our most popular ATVs at Harley-Davidson of Danbury. Our website for CFMoto is also fairfieldpowersports.com. This C500 is an incredible value. Normal selling price is $6,500. It's on sale at Harley-Davidson of Danbury, Fairfield Power Sports for $59.99, not including factory freight and setup and your taxes and any registration costs. But what does this come with, which makes it such an outstanding value? Well, not only is it $500 off, but you get an $800 installed Kolpin Plow value. That's included till the end of October. And for approved borrowers, 0% for 36-month financing is available. An incredible deal. So $500 off, $800 plow, and 0% financing on the C500. So come on down to Harley-Davidson Danbury. This one is all set up and ready to go for you with the plow. We have other plows in stock. If you want a slightly different model, a 600 or a 600T, if you're going to carry a passenger, we've got them all. But what makes this such an outstanding ATV is CFMoto gives you more standard features than any other off-road vehicle. It's got a 1-year warranty, electronic power steering, all standard. Composite over steel racks, front and back, all standard. Alloy wheels, disc brakes, 2,500-pound winch, all standard. 2-inch receiver in the back for towing, all standard again. Adjustable suspension, standard. Automotive grade paint finishes, standard. So this is a fully equipped vehicle for the price of a used ATV. It's unbelievable. Come on down and buy this. Now, I just can't think of a better, more fun, easy to ride ATV. It's got 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, and 4-wheel lock. You got a high and low range, and it's got one of the best in industry, fully automatic CV Tech transmissions. So no shifting. Now, the only thing I want to point out, the federal government says not for use for anyone under 16 years of age. So come on down. Let's take this out for a little ride in the parking lot. Get ready to plow your driveway. Get ready to take it to some off-road riding parks and have fun and off-road recreation with the family. Harley-Davidson of Danbury, my name's Al Lucchino. This is a family-owned business, 30 years, and we appreciate your business, so we'll see you at the dealership. Thanks for watching.